You don't need that to be going, or?
No, that is just because temporary. We fix the engine now, so we can't turn on the engine delco. So you have to turn on because if the engine delco turn on, you know, it's a hand and foot chop off road. So you see it big.
Yes.
So people, so put up on the boat and Keke just tell me something. She say, Emperor, take your ship out to go sink. But when we look at people can see that because we come down because the boat is sink. Yeah, because so Keke, what we say about the boat now?
The message: if you don't take care of your ship will sink.
Yeah.
There are quite a few people who are probably living overseas or not physically present, and because they're not able to take care of their property, if you look around, we're probably going to pan around and show you. You have one that's already sunken and one is going down right now. So bottom line, holes are created after a while. It deteriorates, right?
Yeah.
The material deteriorates, then there's holes, and when the holes are there, then water start coming in. When water start coming in, too much water start coming in,
Yeah.
then your ship start to sink. When the ship start to sink, your property gone, value gone. You don't have any assets anymore, right?
Yeah.
And if there's no insurance, you can't claim it. So take care of your ship, or your ship will sink.
I'll take care of relationship will sink, so all kind of ship, you know. So, because see how people can do road, we have to run come out and when we have main John, the whole team of Maroon government team have to run come out because we get called say, Emperor, Keke, the ship will sink. Me and John come together fast. Because I guess our people, the exhaust manifold pop off. But we never know that. So me and John can find it as well. Yeah, so we don't have to carry extra Delco. We can, so Keke asks why we carry the one else. So make sure you know why we carry it. But for the fundamental people, you know, we have to do the rubber because they Emperor and they big up on themselves.
Yeah.
So see the people say the yacht over there so belong to one of our long time friend. But him that foreign couple of years now. So him yacht it good but it sink. One over there, someone know for the one there, but that sink. And then one there right there so sink too. And I think one more over there so belong to some German boy sink.
And
so,
one right there is going, it's going.
Yeah, the one there go, but him kind of lucky because him close to the shore. Yeah, so the people that sink long time. Yeah, son. You know what I'm going to put Keke, but probably buy out the whole of them one day and rise them back and then just sell them for a look at it and nothing, son. Make a money. Because I don't know the Emperor is a businessman, son. Yeah, so. But other people, so people, so the Emperor, the Paya people, and not joking people, so without here. Out here. Rich.
Yeah, Emperor.
Yeah.
You can't want them exhaust manifold with you.
Huh?
You can't want them with you.
So we have the I'm to the machine shop down here. They have the manifold there. Alright, so what we have to do? We have to just go buy them brand new and done.
We have to get 4 fresh one and put them in.
Yeah, 4 fresh one.
Yeah.
Just gotta get
I have to connect up the walls and we're gonna see.
just gotta cut the ones we're gonna see. Alright, so.
But I them seeing the walls there leak.
So
Exhaust to go out to them.
yeah, big up later, but they don't want to go now.
Yes, send love, man. Everything good, man. You don't know, you never have to go on a lot of things like that. So
Yeah.
I'm a wrong thing I deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the baddest boat engineers, see me, AJ, big up yourself. Rich. Savo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So people, you know, Maroon government, you know, say, you know, say we have to draw for the top people ever. Real Maroon. Yeah, one Maroon family, you know, say.
This look like the socket damage again, you know, man. 2016.
Me and Jay, sure you throw some rum down there?
Yeah.
Me tell you, say, I have to drop some rum down there now. How can I rum there? Kulu Kulu or real nigga?
Kulu.
Oh, Kulu Kulu.
I'm right.
Drop a look of real nigga upon it, man. Cause one screw can't do such problem, man. Over there, man. Second screw, second thing is bro. No, it's all a good sign. That needs some room. You sure, Major? Tell you already about it. You sure go upon it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, just get one more kickstart. Yeah, man. So people, so. Alright, over to you. Yeah. Let's move forward. Yeah, man, people, so that's it, so. We're down here. Legendary Keke, Secretary of State Administration General, don't know Maroon. Yeah, so Empress Keke people, don't remember there now. Body sick on the planet. International ambassador.
Don't take my lights. Don't wear the face for you.
Yeah. No man, them know I want to be the emperor. The emperor have be powerful people. Emperor.
My name ring bells from the lighthouse to the White House. You heard?
No joke. I don't
No
joke to
joke.
people. No joke. Fully good to people. Fully serious. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's it, the people. So no fun to say, yo, the emperor disappear more time out, but the yacht them gone people. You understand? Mm. So that's it, the people. So when Ambassador Keke was out there, so she just flying at the island and she said, Emperor, what are you doing today? I said, Keke, I'm going out to the yacht because it's sinking. But she built a live here tell. So when she come out to see say, so we have to turn on the pump people and
Take care of things.
take out the water out there. So Keke say, Emperor, I have to make sure you take care of your ship, you know, because the ship will sink. And I say, boy, you know, so I see with the relationship.
Yes.
Because some people not take care of the relationship, you know.
No.
And the relationship sink, you know. And a joke thing. Some people, woman take care of the relationship, you know, because have the man, I want to not pay attention to the man, you know. I want to not pay attention to the real man I love, you know. I want to go look for your, yeah, because what the show like the Africans say? The woman said she want to
No.
consider her
He
man.
said, this African, he said, you women,
Yeah,
huh? You are praying
yeah,
for a man from God.
yeah.
I text you, I message you, you don't reply me, oh. Do you know who sent me, oh? God.
And the woman still not listen to the man. Boy, I don't know the Keke them bad enough.
I message you, you don't reply me, oh. You know
Yeah.
who sent me? God.
Yeah, because you know, so one time I go to college Keke.
Yeah.
Them time them I just buy my first, I think a Geo Prism.
Yeah.
You understand? But this is a walk up girl, you understand? I'm not deciding about. I draw down on her because she have a shapes and thing, you understand? I draw down on her, you understand? I say, baby, you know what I want in life. You understand? But the girl go hype on me. I say, my girl. I know say every night I pray to find a man who have money and a man who hot and bandy like and thing. I when me draw down for you now, you go like a hype on me.
Yes.
Girl a wicked, you know, God said, I go for the girl like Keke, because God like me once God say, yo, but draw for that girl because right now you need a woman in their life. How am I going to draw for her? You know, so girl hype on me. I say, Keke, I don't know why no woman understand herself more time.
But did you tell her? But did you tell her?
So
You
God
know
said
who
me.
sent me, oh? God.
Yeah, but she'll tell us how God said me, you know. She probably still wouldn't believe
Probably
me.
ask her, you know, you pray last night? Yes. It's me here.
Yeah. So, no for no man.
Same.
God sent the man, you know. Same like how some man, God sent some woman down the life. So, enough to love them up, you know.
Exactly. Hey, I'm grateful for that.
Yeah. Because me tell the man them, you know. Some man will run down the one bag of girl with pretty face alone, the Keke. And me tell him,
Yes.
say, run down a woman for the brains. Yeah, me tell them, but they not believe me. Yeah, man. Run down the woman them have the brains, but the one them have the pum pum will come and go. But the one them have the brains will last forever. Because them clever. Them not for last ever. But the one them just with the pum pum, if a man come and draw for them run God. Because they always say pum pum will go make them rich.
Yeah.
Nah.
Like 50, words of 50 Cent, right? Shout out to 50 Cent. For the many products I've worked on 50 with, always looking out for me as an actress. That being said, 50 Cent said, if all you're depending on as a woman is your looks, you're going to do some shit.
Yeah.
Bleep that out.
Yeah, so,
But if you're intelligent, you are an asset. And
all right.
you're going to have a line of men wanting you, and it's going to be your choice.
All right. So, ladies,
Yeah.
when you have brains, you're an asset. But with a pum pum alone, you're a liability. And when a whole heap of man ride you, you're damaged goods. So, so grateful for any man who said them on second along with you. Lie me tell Keke?
Nope.
All right. But tell them what them know I believe me sometimes.
Yeah.
Emperor, you're attacking the females.
And powerfully, celibacy is key. It is.
Yeah.
Celibacy is powerful.
Man.
Celibacy is a woman's spiritual protection.
All right.
When you are celibate, break not your celibacy for anyone.
Yeah.
Neither by mental manipulation nor force.
Yeah.
Reason being, when you are celibate as a woman and you're single, that protection will give you exactly what you need in a man, and spiritually it will be revealed to you when you see that person, who it is, and you will know exactly what to do. Why? In that time, because you're so powerful spiritually, you're going to have a lot of attention from demonic entities.
Yes.
A lot of attention from dark energies seeking your energy. But when you stand firm in your celibacy, it is your protection.
Oh.
It is your protection.
So that's so much.
So therefore, no matter what somebody's trying to do to you or what they want from you, it can never happen. It won't happen because your celibacy is your purity. That is your protection. And it will not be removed unless you make a choice to do so. And when you do, it will be of the one that you feel in spirit, that is.
So don't know why,
And you're much more powerful when you're celibate too.
So I know why much woman want from man. Celibate. I never call it celibacy. Me they call it.
I mean, men abstain, or they.
Yeah, abstain.
There's something they call it.
No, they call it abstain. Cause
yeah.
When me on my spiritual journey, them and me go for the doctor, them go to the cemetery. You have to abstain. You can't. There are no woman for 3-4 months in a cause. If you no mean like there like you know, you can't sex and them thing there because when you go draw for certain spiritual energy realms, some people we know the European Christianical Roman Catholic ideology, they would say, oh, you're doing evil because in a for them category, but in our ancient ancestral, I'm doing ancestral work. You understand? So me work it like nanny used to work it, me work it like Immortep them used to work it. You understand? Immortep and them and they know them go realms. These people don't going to pray in a Bible, but we go to realms. Like come one time people say, hey bro, you're up on the yacht, you come out all by yourself out of the sea. And me I say, yo, you know, so I'm going to talk to Poseidon and I'm going to talk to Gaia and you understand, but them don't know any Poseidon and Gaia, Keke. So.
Okay, not just that. Here's the thing. Even in the biblical contract, right, called the Bible, it's not a book for any one religion. It's just a spiritual book for anyone.
It's a historical book.
Everyone uses it, right? So that being said, the righteous is as bold as a lion, but the wicked fleeth when no one pursueth him, and that's why they come in packs.
Yeah.
Being spiritually inclined and in tuned, and you're one, right, with the source, the force thereof, nothing phases you. You become fearless. You become fearless. And in this fight that we fight,
you become a maroon
as freedom fighters, they come for you hard, aggressively.
Yeah,
right? I've had people come for my life multiple times, aggressively. Principalities in the highest forces and highest places. However, being one with the great I am, you walk alone, fearless, and they're looking like, who does she think she is? Who does he think he is?
The emperor. The empress.
Be fearless. Let no one intimidate or manipulate.
Yeah, man, because they come here to because remember, you know what?
Fearless.
We just run through a toll way and they put a man, all island man on. I say, wait, I see people kill police, I see people kill much businessman and man on the go for about one.
Traffic children, wicked crimes.
And a $1,352 Jamaican, which is about a 10 cent US that me run through. I don't want to put a man on for the emperor. Them come for it. But I'm fearless. But guess what now?
That's like $2.
But guess what? Mash up Andrew Willis now. And the Pope them. It's like they put them, you know when they put Pablo Escobar in a prison? At that time to them, them say, yo, oh, the emperor blood clot hit lopside of prison. Who care lopside they gonna give? Who care Chinese food gonna give? Who care grape and everything? So I say, Andrea, for God say, and me say POLICE, and me say the military, and me say everything. Andrea is a fella. So if you lock up LA Lewis in Jamaica, come back here, you're going to like a Pablo Escobar in the jail. A joke thing.
Yeah.
They don't think you would ever overdo it. I mean, they carry the one
and sometimes when you're humble,
yeah,
people think they can
walk over
exalt themselves upon you.
But you know, I like to be a blader because you know, I can't take the hype in from people.
No.
It don't make no sense. Yes, and like the other day, I'm going to a bus and everybody. And look at the Friday. Where did the bus?
You went in a bus.
Yeah.
I go in the bus.
Alright, so
I go in the taxis. I sit next to the people. How can you want to teach a people?
If you can't reach them.
Lead a people.
If you don't
reach
reach
a people and you don't want to be around them, you think you're better than being amongst them?
See, then I watch it now.
Even if you can afford to buy it.
Alright. We're upon the yacht right now, don't it?
Yeah.
I'll buy local later. The people we're already. Don't come for the yacht. Because, don't know.
Be amongst your people.
Yeah.
Yeah. But being amongst your people is also a part of you taking care of your ship. And that's the bottom line today. That's the lesson today. Take care of your ship or your ship will sink.
Alright. Whether it's friendship, relationship.
Thank you.
Any kind of ship.
Keke, I love your energy.
Energy.
Energy. Seven. Up.
Yeah. So I just say the people. So
yeah.
You know the emperor. I'm always trying to teach Keke. You know, whereas trying to teach you people. You understand, and teach each other. Like you know, it's like birds of a feather.
Each one teach one. As we learn, we grow, and as we grow, we sow, and we're sowing seeds.
Yeah, man. A big up Queen Africa. You know what she did?
Yeah.
Yeah, come like a Queen Africa born the fire from what year? You understand? Yeah, so you know, say she have to get paid because she want to fire good from what there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So papers are the emperor daughter people. Out out upon the yacht.
Alright. Peace, 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 Islam.
We shall have it, Timoshe Manisha. Yeah. So that's it, the people. So man, John, more rum down there?
Yeah, tomorrow, yes.
Give me a beer, can I know if I sign to the company, you know. Don't want beer, believe some dash them, you know, not through the contract up.
The beer and rum.
Let's give me a beer. Yeah, not through the contract up, I still beat them.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. One red stripe beer. Alright. I know they're going to left the room you know. So people said tomorrow now if I can see the machine shop. Yes, son. Major, I want to pull off the exhaust pump. Who was?
Exhaust one.
I had to pull off.
Yeah.
See it? Major, good and say, yeah, I'm here good enough because you remember say, I pay with a pay people for go search on the whole ship.
You're fast to find out.
Yeah, man, that's why sometimes they search. Yeah. So people assumption that the mother fall mistake. Yeah. Assumption that the mother fall mistake people. So
Most times people don't have to ask. You have to ask.
yeah.
While I think about it, they might work for it.
Yeah, well, yeah. No, because I must have maroon, you know. The ancestors were working though. Yeah, man, the ancestors. We shall have thee. Kiki, we shall have thee. Timoshe Manisha. Yeah, man, this is what being the emperor is all about. Our people, so a lot of people say, Emperor, we love yacht, so. You know, so I don't purchase a yacht people because we want a yacht people purchase the yacht just to say me have a yacht. Because when I look at me have a yacht, not the Kiki. Yes, so when time I purchase a yacht, I just purchase it because I can't purchase it. And then when time people say them hype on me, they say, yo, call the Benz them, call the yacht them, don't it? Kiki teach me that style, you know. But if Kiki now,
I'm so humble though, don't even.
yeah, I'm humble. Yeah, cause Kiki money
People
now,
talk more about my possessions than I do, and to be honest, I don't care about any of that stuff.
Yeah, we don't care about
I
money,
just love
people.
freedom, and I want other people to be free.
Yeah. Because sometimes when tell some people say, yo, you lose a joker. I mean, sir, that's glad. The joker about 2 yachts, you know. And I lose a joker. I say, yo, the joker have more than 3 bins. Yes, sir, and the joker keep on laughing off of them. Yes, sir. Because some people that say you look so small and tiny, you know. I don't know, some blood clot Kiki what almost half a speed. People, I'm not telling them nothing about it. Yeah. So, that's what I tell the people. I said the thing go. You understand? And when I hype on nobody people, and you understand? But I'm the emperor. And I can prove some of the emperor. Because I have stuff that shows some emperor. I may talk about from long time people. But at the end of the day, you still see me down a water house. You still see me down a Rima. You still see me down a jungle. You understand?
Garrison is the place to be.
Garrison.
You have to be amongst the people.
Alright.
And you catch me, hey, listen, you can't catch me any day downtown shopping, you know. You can't catch me any day downtown shopping. I love the energy downtown. I love the people. To my people downtown.
Yeah.
To the garrison.
We shall have
And then
thee.
the so-called poor people who are not poor. You understand? You're not poor, not pure.
Yeah, oh.
And everything that you shall have that was yours shall be yours again.
That's what I'm telling them get the
Much
maroon.
love, yeah.
That's what I'm telling them get about the maroon documents, but they not believe me, no. Get the sovereignty people.
Yeah.
Get access back to your treasury account, get your trust account.
The first standing at law is status, and if your status seemingly to be black as property, then property can't ask for property. Property can't own anything.
Can you
right?
say-
Only
can you
a
say-
living sentient being, a person can own something.
Alright.
Make sure that you are a person again.
Alright.
Alright?
So when you say you're black, black means property.
Black means death
Alright.
on
So
paper. Black is dead. Civilus mortuus. Look up that term, right? Civilus mortuus. So when you're saying you're black, basically on status in documentation, in the courts, in the system, your property. You're dead.
You're black. Identity.
So change your status. Change your status.
Maroon.
Take back that which is yours.
Na Yankee Pong. Pickyboo.
Come on
Pickyboo
home,
men
guys.
pickyboo.
Come on home.
Yeah. Well,
Trust me, it's not gonna be easy. They're gonna fight you. They're gonna fight you when you start, to do what you have to do. They're gonna fight you. But that's why you have people who are called to do a greater part of the fight. So it's not that much of a fight for you.
Yeah, use us as an example.
Yes.
If we can do it, they can do it.
Yes.
Oh.
Kind of phone probably can read better
I
than
got
us.
1,000 deaths to get home to you.
Easily.
They didn't want me leaving the United States, but here I am. Yeah.
Hey, pass mine, please.
Yeah.
Trust me.
So,
Hey, fire.
but there.
Seven.
Seven.
Maroon government people.
Circle
Nothing else
7
makes
is
sense.
the logos.
Easily. So,
Easily.
na Yankee Pong Maroon tribal government people. Just get to the people. Get the identification card. What does it mean to have a na Yankee Pong Maroon identification card, Keke?
It means that you are a national, you're not a citizen, and you're not subjected to their jurisdiction.
Alright.
You're free.
And
they're going to pretend like they don't know what they're talking about, but you have to know what you're talking about and stand firm.
not what they're talking about.
Not what they're saying, but what you're saying.
Yeah. Alright.
When I go,
So,
Yes, somebody said they will always. But at the end of the day, they're providing a service that we need, and we need to use them, right? We need to use them too. They're providing a service that we need. We're not against them. We're just we're not against them. We're just for freedom. So if you think us being for freedom is against you, then you are against freedom. You're for slavery.
you're against yourself. You want to keep yourself in slavery.
Just saying.
You want to remain to be black. We're not. We're maroons.
give me a minute.
Yeah.
Beautiful maroons.
I mean,
Yeah, so.
all right.
And then, how does someone collect back money for the maroon documents or maroon earth paper?
In terms of that, that's another day. We have to get more in depth with that. That has to be a lesson on our own by itself, because you guys have to come with your pen and paper and be mentally prepared and ready. That have to be a scheduled day.
You know, I've been telling them for years, but
That have to be a scheduled day.
you know, some more people from like the Caucasian maroons, and you know, say, aka white people, you know, say, most of them come from them ID faster than our dark skinned maroon them. Why is that?
Because they know the value. They've been taught all their lives value of things. But our people have been taught to value things that are not of value. So when we're giving you guys value, yes, material things. So when we're giving you things of value for eternal, for long term, for you, for yourself as a legacy, for your family, it's like something in your mind doesn't trigger to recognize it until maybe it's too late. Hopefully not for you when it's too late, but now. Because trust and believe, as it was, so shall it be. If you come from a lineage of those who were rulers and kings and had wealth and of royalty, why you're poor? Why would you be broke? Poverty itself is a sin, it's a spiritual sin,
It's a trick.
It's a trick and it's a sin.
To be poor,
a sin.
trust me, people, to be poor is a crime.
It's a crime. It's a spiritual crime. It's a spiritual crime against you. So anyone who's purposely doing something to make you poor, they're committing a great debt against themselves.
So if you got to be with a boy, make sure him can make you rich. Him not for rich, but him brains can make you rich. If you get there with a woman, make sure she deal with business and prosperity.
Yes.
Now pum pum.
Yes.
Pum pum can come down and does there. Can use some lotion or something, people, and you're good with the lotion. Yes, and a woman can go drop her little finger and thing and she's good. No, you know, Keke, I'm the Maroon Emperor. I gotta talk plain. So that's what I tell you, so come for brains. You understand? Anybody get Keke get a rotted, powerful goddess. Anybody get the Emperor get a powerful god. Reincarnation. Amun Ra, Horus, Osiris, Queen Neptune. Yeah, man, see her side of me, people. Nani, Emperor Selassie. We really realize it, because I think some new people showing the 100% reality. And their own people showing the reality. Oh, that boss, you are good. Yes, the boss. I'm big up on social media. We just saw the boss reach. We're up there. Savo, family.
Yeah, big up, Big Bobby, Captain Bobby.
Yeah.
Fresh cat.
Savo. Give them Savo, Bobby. Give them Savo.
Yes.
Savo, Bobby.
Savo.
Alright, people. See people up here, top friend with their crowd. So Bobby there. Don't know people, so. Big them up. So, Keke, what was it to the people? Yeah.
I mean, bottom line, take care of your relationship.
Relationship. to the guys and the ancestors. Yeah, man. Major, big love.
Blessed love, man. You don't know.
Maroon government.
My own government.
Nothing else to make sense.
Nothing else to make sense.
We shall have it, Manisha. For further information, you can call 77-34594, 1876 77-34594, or you can call 1876 508 4448, or you can call the office number at 1876 666 669 330. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bobby in the building. Yeah. Rich friend Bobby people, I rap with him. Hot. Yeah. Yeah, my glasses. I want the Louis V. Original people. You don't know. So people, big up on yourself. Get to the Maroon Sovereign documents, people. And make sure so the fully goes up in the people, because if it goes up, they're going to booze you. We shall have